Cage just ended his live stream. Now we're here on the Chartsmith's channel. Or not, Cage?
100%. If you're live, then we are here on the Chartsmith channel.
Absolutely. I was gone for, what was it? 1.5 hours, so I have to analyze everything again. Because a lot has happened, I heard. No SMTs on the lows. Nope. We are downtrending since Asia. Yeah, you broke your low here. Was it in London already? No, before London. London, you put a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So your trend is still down. I heard from Cage there was a play, so I'm gonna look for it now. This was this morning. Well, okay. I was gone at 12, so here should be the play. Rejected. Order block on the 50-minute. Then, let me first put on some music, by the way. This, and this. Okay. Yeah, we came up, we made this lower high over here. Then we came up again, rejected from the order block over here. Left open the lows, but couldn't take out this high. So it's still down until proven otherwise. What did we do here? Let me have a look. Oh, interesting. We broke below this low. And we left open this high, signaling we can look for liquidity at least over here and probably take out AM low. And as you can see, we took out more than that, but you could at least expect for price to take out this low and confirm the lower high. So let's zoom in on that. Last point of manipulation here, let's mark that. This was an SMT, right?
Nope.
That's
no
why
SMTs
you
here.
didn't enter the trade, I guess.
Nope.
Okay.
But on eval, any day of the week, of course.
Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in right now. Yeah, it's hot. It looks so clean. With this break over here. Yeah. Leaving open your high. Rejecting an order block again. 5-minute order block. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute. Oh. Low. Do you think this is a valid low? It doesn't matter anyway because you broke these two, but is this a valid low for you?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, you
on the 1 minute at least.
Yeah, you were breaking your structure lows. There's no 5-minute, no. Your highest time frame is your 3-minute over here. You started hunting that. That signals us when we're gonna leave open the highs, a high like this. We're gonna look for liquidity on the lows. As you see, we come down, start taking the lows. We come up again, liquidating all the early shorters who have the stop losses above here. And right after that, you break your local structure towards the downside and get it test back. You dump down. So it's not the cleanest, but maybe on the 2 minute. Yeah. I mean, this is enough, right?
That's for sure your pullback that brought you up to new highs.
Absolutely.
And you're against your 5-minute PD, which was pretty much your origin of that previous move that caused to break structure towards the downside.
Yeah.
Which you never will be able to break. So.
No, you started on the down, on the lows as well. So your confirmation to look for shorts was here already, of course, but your continuation confirmation was here as well. It was really clean. Yeah, then it's just your order in a 1 minute gap.
Yeah.
Stop
BPR.
loss above here. Yeah, even higher. Yeah, BPR. Yeah, at least here then. Stop loss above the high, and then there you go. First take profit on 2RR. And a potential of at least 3. So that would be a funded for me, because I only need 2 risk to reward in profit to pass this funded. But as I said, I was not behind my computer, so those are not equals. Okay. Those are not as well. Yeah, and the plan for right now, maybe we have to look at a higher time frame. Pretty much all your sell side is gone. Yeah, you took all your sell side. So maybe New York is gonna move up from here again, taking all this liquidity, but it could still dump down as well.
On the NQ we took it, yeah.
Yeah, barely, but we took it. So this is still your low to hold for your high time frame turn. And if you don't break this low, it's also still fine. Because from here you can still move towards new highs. So we could move up, we could also move down. It's up to the market. We have to wait, because structure to break towards the upside is also pretty high. So yeah, big moves after London again. The last few days is crazy after London. Yesterday as well. Yeah, let's see what New York is planning to do. Yeah, you will have to break above this point here, or you drop off to look for some more upside. Otherwise, locally you have no structure to break. On the 1 minute you have something to reject, but that's it. That's only locally, of course, so this is gonna be a waiting game. Curious if these are SMTs. No, okay. On your highs you have SMTs right now.
You have the massive one on the lows.
Yeah, there's a big one on the lows. Or maybe I also saw that one. Maybe I'm a bit blind. Let me have a look.
High time frame, of course.
Yeah, that's the 1 hour I'm on right now. This. Oh, this is not hunted on the S. Oh wow. Yeah, then this is your SMT. And this SMT could have done its work right now because, yeah, could have done his work over here already because you came up again. Don't know if this was an SMT, we'll have to look. Nope. No. Okay. Yeah, there are some more reasons for upside than downside right now, I would say. I don't know what Cage is thinking.
Locally, yeah.
Yeah.
Higher time frame getting a bit bearish though.
Yeah, you would expect some upside from this low and breaking this high, but you didn't, so that's pretty bearish.
So it doesn't get any more bearish than that.
And with that,
Just
you
following
also
your high time frame, lower high. Could you start dumping?
and also this Model 1 is still in play. You kept protecting that high, so we could come all the way down to here and even further down below those lows. So yeah, I have to watch out. But price is gonna tell us everything. So stocks open pretty neutral.
Be right back.
AMD rejecting. What are you rejecting, mate? Old price. Yeah. That's where the rejection is coming from. It could be a local new low for a higher low, but we'll have to wait for the confirmation on that because yeah, this is ugly, right? This is just a grind up, so there's no support to find in there. Literally zero support. You could expect for it to go all the way down to here and then look for support here. Otherwise, yeah, it could be lower as well. We'll have to wait for it to tell us. PLTR still in the trend up to taking this liquidity here. Took some internal liquidity now and moved up again. Did you touch your demand? Oh, it's an ugly demand. No, we front ran it. Okay. Well, we'll have to see if PLTR is gonna break above this high again to move upwards for new highs. But it took some liquidity now. Either way, no play to make here because it's so close to its technical target. It already took out some liquidity. It has not taken out this yet, so it could also mean it needs more liquidity from the lows. Where's your liquidity on the lows? That's over here, so you have to be really patient on PLTR here. Microsoft. Supply chaining a bit, holding this demand block, but okay. What does this mean? Didn't broke any structure towards the downside. Well, locally, yeah. Locally you did. We'll have to wait for Microsoft to make a decision if if this trend is gonna go through locally, or if you're gonna hold your high time frame trend and just move up from here. Well, high time frame trend is still down as well. You could still expect a lower low. Yeah. So if we're gonna break below here, then definitely it's never definitely, but you can expect for price to at least move towards here. So this would be your low to hold, or your demand to hold, how you wanna call it. I mean, it's a big block, right? Amazon was looking. Where's the chart? There. Amazon was looking really nicely. We talked about it this in the last stream, but big rejection from the first liquidity grab. Took liquidity and instantly started moving down. So it was almost 7 risk to reward from here. And I have this line drawn in here. Was expecting for price to take out at least this internal liquidity and move up, but you took out all your internal liquidity and you left open this massive wick, which is pretty ugly, but it's right above your low to hold. So we can still expect from Amazon to move up from here. If we never break this low, it's up until proven otherwise. Let's see what we're doing on a lower time frame. This took out all your internal liquidity. Oh, equals, okay. That's why we took all this liquidity, because if you make equals on one side, you need liquidity from the other side till you've taken enough to then take out the equals. So yeah, Amazon could move up from here, but no confirmation yet. Would have to take this high, then go further up. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look at NQ again. Let's see what New York is doing. It looks like it's not much, but it's 500 ticks, so it's pretty big. Small local SMT, really ugly, so not relevant. Yeah, this is locally up, but higher time frame. As we said before, we could still go down, because from this low you would expect a new high, but you didn't. So we'll have to see. This was expected. You didn't. You made a Model 1. And that's still in the play. Your technical target of the Model 1 is over here. So there's still enough room on the lowest to go to. But I don't think New York is gonna do that today. Rid of all those highs. Let's keep an eye on the local picture. This is locally your low to hold. If you want to keep moving up, you'd have to continue this trend. And yeah, this is just your high time frame low to hold. If we're gonna break below this, then it's dump time. Yeah, this is just a big black hole for price. It's a strong move down, so no liquidity or any resistance here. Maybe from some old price action, but nah, not really. over here. But right now, if it needs liquidity, the liquidity is here. Just gotta be patient here. We could still move down, of course. Only if we break. What do we have to break for more upside? On the 1 hour, it's this. I think it's your London high. Oh no, it's your Asia high. Yeah. Yeah, high time frame high to break is this Asia high from today. Lower time frame at least should drop off. You want to see a gain on your drop off for lower time frame upside, and then you would have to keep an eye on your high time frame. If you break above this high right here, this is our new local low to hold.
How's the stream going, brother?
It's fine. It's fine. No viewers, no chats, but doesn't matter. It's just for us to talk about our thoughts on the market, and if someone tunes in, it's all beneficial. So it's fine. I'm analyzing. I did some stocks just now. Now I'm talking about local picture of NQ. So
yeah, we'll see what forms.
Yeah. Small local SMT on the lows, but probably also on the highs.
Wanted to look for longs. Discussed in my stream just now that if we broke the 1 minute, then if we hold the low, we can move up. But just no structure to break, just crazy expansions.
Yeah. You did
Nothing
this,
to
you
play.
made a low, then here you made a low again. That's only on a 1 minute, of course. This is the low that broke you through this high, and you protected it. So and then you broke the high again. Well, until now SFP did, but confirm your high low. But it's only 1 minute. On a 2 minute, there's nothing there. Literally nothing. Yeah. This was a really nice trade here, man. Wow. What do you think of Amazon right now?
Let me check. We can start breaking our structure on 195.5. We can move towards new highs.
Yeah.
If not, we can seek some liquidity and wait for rotation. Then we have some nasty equals there.
Yep.
It's a lot of liquidity being built, but we did sweep a lot with that big move ups. For now, down until proven otherwise, but keeping sharp on that rotation.
Oh, okay. Exactly what I said. So beautiful.
Yeah, go ahead. Keep building up this liquidity on the low, please.
Yeah. Please, please do. It's gonna be interesting because it's down on the 1 hour until we take Asia highs. So 15 minutes can be a drop off, but if we hunt a drop off, it's still down, of course. So can get a lot of people trapped with this kind of SMT on the low, and then if you're gonna take these highs, a lot of people are gonna get bullish. So if market makers want to push price down, this would be a perfect pennant up to then trap everybody in longs up here and then just liquidate everything. But it is to build a lot for a play like that. Bouwen.
Trek hem door.
Push it through. Let's see if we're gonna keep making SFTs on the lows as well. Can your video get taken down if you listen to copyright music, or is it just gonna get claimed or whatever?
No, you're gonna get a. If you're live streaming, you're gonna get a warning. You need to remove it. If you remove it, you're clear. But if you keep doing it, you're going to get a strike on your channel.
Yeah, but your video will put down as well. Otherwise, it would be a bit weird if your video could still be online and you get a strike for it.
It can be online 100%, but they're gonna request it, and if you don't follow the request, then maybe after a few days they're taking it down, and you have to stop.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But they are giving people a chance that accidentally, play the music.
Yeah.
I did it once on stream as well. You just listen to my own music.
Yeah, do you get a warning?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, there are detections. Had to detect it as well. So still are systems. They are not perfect.
But it can take a while.
Yeah. Okay.
Still better. You just have like a trap beat going on. No one's singing.
When are we gonna expect a play from this? It can take a long time. For continuation, it's fine on the 1 minute. Building new highs, new lows, new highs, new lows, protecting the lows, taking the highs. So
for now, yes, sir.
But I'm not gonna enter something like this.
Oh no! I'm not longing that shit.
No. Not with
you would have to long on the bottom.
Yeah,
you would have to long on your first higher low that you're protecting the SMT. Yeah. I was looking for longs there, but nothing to see that. Nope. No play. Won't lie, it wouldn't even be that bad if we start taking the lows and protecting the highs now. We will get that rotation down 100%. Would not even be that bad. It's now macros, so we can move. It's time to move.
Yeah, set it up for after macro, so I'm interested if we're gonna start moving down from here. Just keep moving up. Macro sets up the play. After macro, the play plays out. Well, sets up the move, better to say. Not everything is a play, of course.
ES once down would not be bad, or to start going down from.
Oh, you have an SMT with this high over here. It's not the most beautiful, of course, but it's just a sign of weakness for ES, of course.
There we go. We take the low now.
Yep.
Nothing to inverse though. Still no confirmations yet though.
No. This is only 1 minute shit. On the 5,
No,
on the 2-3 minute, it's nothing.
Still valid.
Yeah, we would have to come up again, protect the high, and then go down. Then it's pretty much confirmed.
With an inverse, yes.
Yeah. Small local SMT, and it's valid. Absolutely, it's valid.
Yep.
Yeah, this is not the most beautiful, but it is a sign of weakness. So it's
1 minute, it is beautiful.
It's relevant. Yeah, but I mean, it's not a session high, etc. It's not.
Not
But
sure.
you have to keep it in mind. And if you get a local one and you're starting to take the lows, it's done. Then I'm placing an order to short here. Because there are a lot of people longing here. A lot of idiots who see price moving up and just buying. So.
Well, let's see what will happen to cut the lows. So hope we can create a bullish.
Yeah, if we're gonna come up here, protect the high, small SMT, bullish gap to inverse, play every day of the week. These are big moves. I thought it was nothing, but
No, it's volatile. After the rents, of course. It's back to normal, good volatile price action now.
Yep.
I like it.
Could go down on the most aggressive way, of course. Fill up orders here, and go down.
Price action wise, it is really clean, yeah.
Yep.
Sure.
Horrible. Look at that.
Patience, brother. Good SMT on the lows.
Oh yeah, as well, absolutely.
I mean, and on the 5 minutes, we did make a valid pullback, so keep that 5-minute structure and you can still move up. Yeah, sure. So order block with an imbalance above it. Yeah.
Yep. This would have to be your play. Oh.
See if this fair value gaps tries to bring you to new highs, but rejects. I would love a bigger SMT, but
Yeah, this if you want to go up with this equals and this SMT on the low, which you would expect for price to take this high and then move up again.
I still think
Just blast through.
waiting for longs here would be bit better.
Since New York opened, you started moving up, and as you said, valid 5 minutes. So macro is pretty much over. So wow. It takes a long time for a price to take out that high.
Yep, pretty much valid 1 minute pullback in my opinion.
This one in the fair value gap.
Yeah.
Yep. On the 2 minutes, it's this one, of course.
Yes, so still bearish in that perspective.
If we're not gonna take, let me have to, yeah, if we're not gonna take this high, absolutely.
Would be really beautiful for price action to actually inverse the 1 minute now.
This one, this small one here.
Yeah, then I think we can go lower, take out equals.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, pretty much equals here as well now. So. Oh, and you trapped a lot of people here. There's so many
a lot of
people
people
longing
longing,
here.
sure.
Ooh.
I mean, still no reason
It's
to
absolutely
go
not.
down here, but
It's still
if we
valid, if you could say so. But if we're gonna move down, the stop losses over here, crazy. And over here now as well, of course, because people want to be on break even if they see this. So there's a lot of liquidity here and here now. Good.
yeah, wait for the trap, brother.
Let's wait.
There we go. Oh, never
That's
mind.
SMT, or isn't it?
No.
Oh no.
Terrible.
Yep. That's unfortunate. Yeah, and if we're gonna start taking this high, then it's also really ugly for downside. So. Okay, well. Price push through, and there's the continuation you could expect from that. Okay. Well, there were a lot of people sweating here when we couldn't take the high. I would be sweating myself as well if I played this. Oof.
It's just 2-3 minutes. So.
Yeah, but it's still 2-3 minutes of sweating.
For the noob traders, sure.
Yeah, I'm not sweating because I'm never gonna play this. It could be a play if you took this high and then came back, but you didn't, so... It could still be a trap for people to take long zeros who sweat, put the stop loss below here, and then go down. But it didn't, so... yeah. Now it's just gonna pump up, and we'll have to wait for a new macro, so the live stream is over as well. I'm not gonna sit here for 30 minutes to wait for something new. I'm off. We talked about a bit of stocks. We talked about the local and high time frame picture of NQ, so people should be a lot wiser again. That's our goal, of course. And that will be it for today. Cage want to say his goodbyes to our many viewers.
Cage is out.
Okay, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.